Could Samsung's next foldable finally solve one of its biggest problems? A new leak hints that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be thinner than ever. If true, this could be a game changer, as one of the biggest complaints about foldable phones has always been their bulkiness. While the idea of a slimmer design sounds promising, there's still one key aspect where Samsung might not be making enough progress. According to leaked renders, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be noticeably thinner than its predecessor, the Z Fold 6. A thinner body means it could be easier to hold, fit better in pockets, and feel more natural to use. While other smartphone brands have also been working on making foldables slimmer, Samsung's approach could set a new benchmark in design. The device is rumored to feature an 8.2-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch outer display, slightly larger than previous versions, making multitasking and content consumption even more immersive. On the performance side, Samsung is not cutting corners. Reports suggest that the Z Fold 7 will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, the same processor found in the Galaxy S25 lineup. This means users can expect top-tier performance whether gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. Some rumors also suggest that Samsung may offer an Exynos-powered version in certain regions, but given its strong collaboration with Qualcomm, the Snapdragon version seems more likely. The camera system is also expected to receive a major boost. The primary sensor is rumored to be a 200-megapixel shooter, a significant jump from previous models. This could result in sharper images, better low-light performance, and improved details. However, the rest of the camera setup, including the ultra-wide telephoto and under-display front camera, is expected to remain unchanged from the Z Fold 6. Many users have criticized foldable phones for not matching the camera quality of traditional flagship devices, so this upgrade could be a step in the right direction. However, one area where Samsung doesn't seem to be making major improvements is battery life. Reports suggest that the Z Fold 7 will feature the same 4,400 mAh battery capacity as its predecessors. For a phone with such a large screen and high-performance hardware, many users were hoping for a bigger battery. Samsung has been using this capacity for years despite feedback asking for an upgrade. Still, improved chip efficiency and software optimizations might help extend battery life without increasing the actual capacity. As for the launch date, leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will likely be announced in mid-July, keeping in line with Samsung's usual schedule for foldable devices. However, a slight delay is possible, especially since the Galaxy S25 series was released later than expected. Over the years, foldable phones have evolved significantly. When Samsung introduced the first Z Fold, many people were skeptical due to issues like thickness, visible display creases, and concerns about durability. But with every new generation, Samsung has refined the design, improved the hinge mechanism, and made foldables more practical for everyday use. However, competition in the foldable market is getting tougher, with other brands introducing their own innovative designs. If Samsung wants to maintain its lead, it needs to keep pushing the boundaries. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 shaping up to be an exciting upgrade? A slimmer build and a higher resolution camera could make it one of the best foldables yet. But for those hoping for a bigger battery, it might feel like Samsung is still playing it safe. What do you think? Would you rather have a thinner foldable phone or a larger battery? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.